Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your own sound in TikTok. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to record a video clip in your own sound. Like you can use the cell phone screen recorder or some kind of application, or you can record your video in your own sound with your laptop. After that, when you make your video, simply what you need to do in the next step, just you have to upload it on TikTok. So now when you upload the video with your own sound, simply in the next step, just you will be able to use your own sound. So simply, just as you can see, I uploaded this video with my own sound. Now after that, you have to make it private or public, it depends upon you. Simply just you have to open this video, and after that just simply you can use this video sound. So in this way you can make your own sound on TikTok.